front door and back door lined up, so we opened up those doors and kind of poured breeze through there, so it worked, but that was hard, it was a hard, you know, it's hard work, but, we're done and we just lifted it, yesterday, it went live. So, yeah. I'm glad you did, I'm glad you did. Jessica goes every week, not every week, but every time she can, she goes to flyer. And then she'll always say, Sandy wasn't there, and I'll say, well, no, but I was expecting her to still be in charge, you know. So, but she'll be glad for the update as well, so. All right, well, take care of yourself. All right, love you. Bye.
The dog walked straight through that puddle.
Of course. She's doing good.
Good. He's too prissy to do it at home, but he'll do it here.
My phone is on 14%.
That's fine. The chargers are upstairs.
Huh?
I said that's fine. The chargers are upstairs.
Yeah, and Haley's got one